With the utility dashboard powered by EnergyPrint, we make it simple to benchmark your building's ENERGY STAR performance. For buildings who seek ENERGY STAR certification, need to comply with local benchmarking disclosure laws, or simply want to use the ENERGY STAR rating as another benchmarking metric, the utility dashboard fully integrates with ENERGY STAR Portfolio Manager. There are two places you can access your ENERGY STAR information. To see the ENERGY STAR rating for all your buildings, use the Dashboard tab. Scroll to the property map, click the View By drop-down menu, and select ENERGY STAR. You can then sort your properties to see your best ENERGY STAR ratings. Note that ENERGY STAR does not have ratings for all building types, so you may not get a rating for every property. From the property map, you can click on any score to get a quick summary of that property, and by clicking on the property name, go directly to the ENERGY STAR tab within the property profile. The ENERGY STAR profile will provide high-level details for your property based on what is stored in Portfolio Manager. Additionally, the utility dashboard stores and trends your ENERGY STAR history so you can see how your rating has changed over time. You can also connect to Portfolio Manager by clicking the ENERGY STAR Portfolio Manager login link and entering your unique ENERGY STAR user credentials. If you have questions about ENERGY STAR or to learn more about the utility dashboard, visit us online or contact your EnergyPrint representative.